So, slight update on the first person driving POV plan. That may or may not happen because turns out this overpriced piece of shit is a piece of shit. I mean, I have tried multiple times with factory resetting, formatting the SD cards, resetting it through the little pinhole on side, messing around with various settings, and all I can get it to do is record 8 kilobyte video clips that appear to be corrupted when I go to record it on my PC. So now, since I already damaged components that came with this camera, so then I can mount it to this hat over here. But at least with this one, I know for sure it's going to capture video. I won't be able to return this because I had to cut open the packaging and I already damaged a good portion of this. So new plan is, which I'm going to regret having to do. Let me see if I can get to a mirror over here. You'll have to forgive the mess. This is just the way I live for the week since I'm working 14-hour days. Is the new plan. Oh god, that's heavy. I'm probably going to have to select a different phone. It's probably to use the phone mount that this camera came with and just use my phone to record the entire trip. Now how good the POV is going to be for you guys, I'm not sure. I'm not sure what the field of view is going to be like. I might as well put on some pants. Give you guys a quick POV test. Oh, sweet jeez. Yeah, I'm definitely going to have to pick a lighter phone for this. This is just my survival phone. I'm probably going to have to get a larger SD card. I'm not going to get my money back on that fucking overpriced piece of shit Vivitar. If you're looking for a good GoPro alternative, stay the hell away from Vivitar because that thing just immediately wrecked itself by my standards within half an hour. I tried to get new firmware for it. Firmware is non-existent. And wait, do I have my wallet? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Give you guys a quick POV shot really quick. Well, at least with the phone, it may not be in 1080p, but at least I know the footage is going to get... What the hell is this guy doing over here? I can't even see a plate number. I'm gonna follow him if I can. I don't think he saw my Subaru. That's gonna be a good test drive. Oh my god. And the weight of this phone is already giving me a headache. Sweet Jesus Christ. If anybody is wondering what to get the Tony for Crimbus, a GoPro. And not some overpriced Walmart thing. So do a quick noise test. Well, I've already done a camera test with this thing. You fucking... God love those early 90s, early automatic seatbelts. Where you have to slam the door for them to even work. I'll probably be using my Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 for the entire trip. Because I know that has really decent battery... The words are hard. Because I know for sure that has some decent battery life. Just doing a quick driving test here. Going to be uploading this to YouTube later on. So I got burned by that action camera. It doesn't even work. Firmware doesn't work. Doesn't even record the videos in full length. The way I see it, I paid $44 for a cheap camera and some I wish I didn't get burned on that. I wish I didn't get burned. So for the time being, probably just stick to this terrible hat idea. Probably use a lighter phone than this Alcatel WP5. Who knows, I might use this thing if it turns out to be good on the test video. Oh, sweet Christ, that's going to give me a good headache, I can already tell. I might see if I can at least get a dash cam mount of the Redmi Note 5 Pro. It's going to be too heavy for this hat. Or who knows, I might be able to actually get a actual head strap for a phone. Who knows? Good, this thing's still recording. I can see the backlight on my hat over there. I am trying not to be mad because I know for sure I won't be able to return that camera. I can't even give it away for Christmas because I'm going to be writing Vivitar a really strongly worded email later on today. I can just tell. What I'll probably end up doing is I'll probably end up buying a 256 gigabyte micro SD card for my phone and just record the entire trip on here. I'll probably be running a power cord to it when I'm driving. I'll probably just keep it on battery when I actually do go to record picking up the car. I'll look like a fucking psychopath walking into the bank wearing this thing, unless I just record it like a normal person, but that wouldn't like justify the 2 hours I spent trying to figure out how to connect this mount to my hat here. Oh yeah, I'm not going to be using this phone for the POV driving thing. I know a dash cam view is just as good, but I was really hoping to get you guys a good first person sort of deal going on here. Oh, sweet Jesus Christ, that's probably the 5th driving test I've taken today on cameras tonight. 4 of them being on that POS Vivitar. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that thing. I just wasted $44. I don't care if I got a raise. I will forever be mad at Vivitar for selling a product that doesn't even work. So yeah, that's going to be a plan. Probably going to be using this hat with that homemade mount. I know some of you are worried about this bolt sticking out. Trust me. Even if I just did that, it's not going to hit my face. And I know I'm going to look like a total tool wearing a, what's this, flat bill? I almost said beanie and I don't know why. Flat bill, baseball cap thing. I know it looked like a tool, but it's going to have to be how it is for the first person driving bits. Hopefully the battery doesn't die on here. Hopefully the battery doesn't die. I reckon I should probably... Oh, don't tell me it was out of focus this entire time. It probably was. I'm probably going to use open camera for that entire ordeal. Yeah, so hopefully sometime next week I'll have a camera situation set up. Sorry, next weekend. By this Saturday I'll have an entire camera ordeal figured out. That's going to be really uncomfortable. I am an idiot. I should have done more research on this thing. Well, I'm going to clean this place up. I'll keep you guys posted.